What's up, adventurers? We are back with another brand new backpack. This is from one of our favorite brands, Peak Design. This is their travel backpack, 30-liter size. We've loved Peak Design bags for a long time now just because of the build, the quality of it, just the thoughtfulness, especially for people who carry camera gear. I did a review in the past for the 45-liter bag. I didn't use that bag too much just because it was so massive and I usually don't carry that much stuff, and if I do, I'm carrying a carry-on. But now that they have this 30-liter size, I'm really excited to test it out. Let's jump right into it. On the outside, we have two water bottle holders. Both are somewhat expandable. They work well with the Peak Design tripod, and this is how we usually carry our tripod. So with the additional straps, you can put it on here. That way you can carry some additional items there. You have hooks all over the place. You got a hook here, you got a hook here, you have hooks down here. So there's a lot of places where you can actually strap this to use it as you need. A really nice touch is they put handles everywhere so that when you're going to get your bag, it's easy to pick up from all sides and angles, but they also don't stand out. So you have the obvious one on the top. Here, you have ones on each side so that you could easily hold the bag this way. You even have a handle on the bottom if you happen to pick it up that way. There's nothing on the front, but on the back you also have a nice easy way if you want to distribute the weight evenly and carry it from the bag. This back handle is also a little bit wider to use as a pass-through for your suitcase if you just wanted to put your suitcase arm thing into this and rest it on top of your suitcase. Looking at the straps, pretty standard Peak Design straps. They're comfortable. They give you a little bit of support. There is a sternum strap here that is adjustable in height that you just clip over. And then what I love about this, one of my favorite features, is the hideaway for the straps. It's super easy. Sometimes there are bags that make it really difficult to hide straps away, but all you have to do with this one is turn them in, stuff them in like that. So the straps tuck in really nicely. They're out of the way. You can still pick up your bag and you don't have to worry about them being in the way. Besides that, there's a little ID pocket here so that you can put your business card or information in case your bag ever gets lost. And let's check out the top opening. You have a little bit of organization in this top pocket here, a couple elastic straps, one zippered pocket here with memory card or battery holders, as you can see, and just a nice little general catch-all that you can throw anything that you need easy access to. The zippers have an anti-theft lock. Basically what you do is you open it up like this and you loop them into each other. Let me just do it real quick. So now the zippers are locked into each other so that people can't really open it easily. Now let's check out the main section of the bag. Boom. All right, on the back we have laptop carry, Velcro to hold it in. There is a little tiny sleeve in here as well. This fits up to a 15-inch laptop, and there's space for an 11-inch tablet as well. And then the main section of the bag. The main section of the bag is just open. It's made for you to pack however you would like. They do have two little zippered sections here for you to organize any of the smaller items. I would probably put like some socks, underwear, or cables in there. So you got these two big ones. On the side, you also have two more. As you can see here, that's a nice little touch because I feel like this area often gets forgotten, but now you have two little zippered sections on the side that are divvied up. So this inside is made to use with the other Peak Design organization tools. So you can do a small camera cube with two small packing cubes, or you could do a medium camera cube with a small packing cube. And of course, it's expandable as well. So if we unzip the side here, the bag will expand an additional amount and give you some more extra space there. Now the camera cubes are thicker, and because they're more rigid, you do have to fully expand the backpack to use any of the camera cubes. This is how the bag looks on. I'm about 5'7". As the name states, this is made to be more of a travel backpack rather than just a camera backpack. So there isn't easy access to a camera cube like the other bags have, you know, with the side access, but If you're just getting to a destination, you can then take your camera cube out and use it as you need. This is a great weekend bag. I love the size of it. It's such a great fit. It's, again, great design like Peak Design always does. They also have a few new accessories that are really cool. This is the small wash pouch. So it is a small toiletry bag. It has kind of 4 different sections based on this cross. There's a magnetic toothbrush section dedicated for the toothbrush that just holds it in there. But it gives you just enough organization, and plus there's also a zippered section right here if you need that. It's nice and small. At the same time, it will rest on the bottom so that it's easy to access everything. On the outside, you do have a little hook so that if you're at a place where you just have to hang this because there's not enough counter space, you can hang this up and it opens up easily like that for you to access everything. Just to give you an idea of scale, this is a Sonicare toothbrush, pretty standard toothbrush, I would say electric size. This is the bag. Sonicare toothbrush is a little fat for this little toothbrush section. This right here, it doesn't fully close up. I mean, it kind of does, but you gotta kind of force it. So what I would probably do is just leave the toothbrush in one of the large sections like that, to keep my toothbrush head nice and stowed away. They also redesigned their packing cubes a bit. This is their small packing cube. This is their medium packing cube. The small is 7 liters and the medium is 18 liters. Some of the best features about these are the easy opening, easy rip away, I forgot what they call it. There's basically 2 tabs here. Boom, look how easy that is. On the back side or bottom side, there is an additional zipper. This is for your dirty laundry. It utilizes the same amount of space as well, so that as you transfer your clean laundry over to your dirty side, it's easy to still use the same amount of space. And then of course, both are expandable. It expands about this much, and that is supposed to be equivalent to about 10 shirts, 10 t-shirts. Medium size, same build, you got the quick rip away, you got the expansion, you got the dirty side. Difference is when you expand this bag, it fits an additional 20 t-shirts. If these were full, this fits both the medium and the small and fills up the bag, keeps it nice and organized, plus you have all those additional zippered sections to keep everything else separate. And that's it. This is the Peak Design Travel Backpack 30 liter size, brand new. This is in the sage color. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or message me on Instagram or whatever it is. And also let me know if there are any other bags you want me to check out. I've linked to this bag below in case you do want to pick it up or read more details on the specs. Happy adventuring!